Hi there. Welcome to Traders for Traders. My name is Brad Gilbert. I'm the founder and CEO of Traders for Traders. Now, my goal is to get you from ground zero to becoming a consistently successful trader. And our 247 trade zone has been developed to provide you with ongoing support, as well as access to premium market data, live trading sessions, live signals, trading resources. You'll be able to access your courses in here as well as a bunch of extras. So I've put this video package together so you understand each component depending on your membership access. And besides accessing the 247 trade zone, you'll also get access to our Discord channel, our trading community, where you can converse with like-minded traders, share trading ideas, keep up to date with what's going on in the market, and a whole range of other activities. Now, first, before you go through the rest of the videos, I just want to explain how the activity on our site and our Discord works. Now, for most of our traders, Monday is a long weekend every week. There's no point trying to make money out of the markets when there's weekend news and the markets are reconnecting and direction is just starting to take shape. So don't expect much chat or information flow on the Discord, particularly on Monday. It's not until Tuesday that the markets reconnect and we start to see some shape in the market. And that's when it's time to start analyzing the markets and looking for those key entry levels and trying to identify direction across the various instruments you're trading. By Wednesday, Thursday, we're really rocking and rolling, and that's when the Discord will light up. Now, you'll be able to keep track of what's going on in the market. You'll have the daily market updates as well as the weekly kickoff. By Thursday, Friday, the market should be lining up, all going well. And that's when a lot of the key trading opportunities will occur. So each week is a microcosm of trading activity. You need to be able to position yourself so you don't start getting performance anxiety thinking I'm missing out on what's going on. There's not much to miss out on Monday, Tuesdays. Wednesday, Thursdays are your key trade days. Friday, probably half of the New York session, and that's about it. So the aim of telling you this is to get you prepared for the weekly trading activity. So you don't waste endless hours sitting in front of the screens waiting for something to happen or a chat to come online. The main thing is getting yourself set up, and if you don't know something, ask a question, either on the Discord or via our live chat service. That's enough from me for now. Go through the rest of the video so you understand each section in the 247 trade zone. If you have any questions, once again, drop us a line and one of our team members will be able to get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck, traders, and happy trading.